Paris is a beautiful city with a rich history and culture. It is known for its iconic landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the Notre Dame Cathedral. Paris is also a city of fashion and gastronomy, and it is home to some of the best restaurants and boutiques in the world. Here are some of the things that make Paris so beautiful. Its architecture. Paris is home to some of the most beautiful buildings in the world, from the iconic Eiffel Tower to the elegant Haussmannian townhouses. The city's architecture is a mix of different styles, from Gothic to Renaissance to Baroque. Its parks and gardens. Paris has many beautiful parks and gardens where visitors can relax and enjoy the outdoors. Some of the most popular parks include the Tuileries Gardens, the Luxembourg Gardens, and the Jardin du Palais Royal. Its museums. Paris is home to some of the best museums in the world, including the Louvre Museum, the Musée d'Orsay, and the Centre Pompidou. These museums house collections of art and artifacts from all over the world, and they are a must-see for any visitor to Paris. Its food and wine. Paris is known for its delicious food and wine. The city has many Michelin-starred restaurants, as well as many more affordable options. Visitors can also enjoy a variety of cafes and bakeries, where they can sample classic French pastries and desserts. Its atmosphere. Paris has a unique atmosphere that is both romantic and cosmopolitan. The city is full of life and energy, and it is a place where visitors can feel truly alive. If you are looking for a beautiful and exciting city to visit, Paris is the perfect destination. With its iconic landmarks, its stunning architecture, its world-class museums, and its delicious food and wine, Paris has something to offer everyone. Thanks for watching.